What even is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is an evidence-based healthcare profession that's concerned with human movement and function, and ultimately concerned with maximising physical health and quality of life. Physios use many different ways to promote, maintain and restore physical, psychological and social well-being, very much acknowledging that the whole person affects recovery potential. Physiotherapy is for anybody at any stage of life who acknowledges that they have a movement or a function problem challenged by age, injury, a condition, or any other environmental factor. And physiotherapy is an evidence-based science, therefore meaning that we should be only using treatments which have been proven in the scientific research. Conversely, face-to-face physio can tend to lean too heavily on passive movements and treatments, which ultimately lead to poorer results than online physiotherapy. And this is what we are seeing today. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.